finish do my work. You hear me? I say, stay inside the vehicle. I don't care who knows who. Stay inside the vehicle.
As you can observe on his right shoulder, there is no JCF logo.
Who knows who at this point. Stay inside the vehicle, sir. You are going to finish. When I'm finished with my work, you do social. I don't care who knows.
Am I allowed to go, sir? Am I allowed to go? Am I being detained?
I'm not speaking to you, sir.
Okay, so I'm allowed to go. You want to go?
Yeah, man.
Oh, you want to wait?
Yeah, man, I can't wait.
Documents. Do you suspect me of a crime? Sir.
I am asking you a question. Do you suspect me of a crime, sir? I am asking you a question. Do you suspect me of a crime?
Yeah, man, me alright, man. Blessed.
Do you suspect me of a crime? Do you suspect me of a crime, sir?
Please produce your documents and your driver's license.
I assure you. I'm going to call my lawyer. And what is your name, sir? What is your name, sir? What is your name? And I cannot
Yeah, man, you can record too.
number.
You can record too. Come here, record.
Cannot see your badge number to identify you.
Please produce your documents.
What is your name?
Williams is my name.
What is your name?
I explained that
Williams is not your name. Williams is not your name. That's your last name. Williams is not your name. Give me your rightful name. What is your name, sir?
Williams is my name.
What is your name, sir?
And your driver's license.
See the documents. See the documents and the driver's license.
Is there any marijuana inside this vehicle, sir?
Well, not that I cannot give account of.
Well, I smell marijuana aroma coming from this vehicle,
Well,
sir. Can you be quiet and allow me to speak, sir?
well.
Good. Under the
Do your
Dangerous
job and
Drug
check the
Act-
documents. Do your
Under
job.
the Dangerous Drug Act, I am going to search this vehicle because I smell marijuana scent
So if you're
from this vehicle.
So
I
if
don't know what
so if
portion you have
no
on
no
your
no no
vehicle.
no 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 don't step from the vehicle. You permit them. You permit them if you step from the vehicle.
Please.
You permit them if you step from the vehicle. You're permitting them.
Am I being?
I am not permitted.
Am I being detained?
To any search or seizure.
Am I being
sir.
detained, sir? Am I being detained?
It's
I
alright.
am
Read,
not.
read.
No, sir. Sir.
You can't go on, sir.
No, me not going. Me I go on anyway.
You can't go on, sir.
How me I go on, General?
Copy with the policeman. Hey, you go on, sir?
General, me have a rights to you know.
Yeah, of course.
Me have a rights, but
Yes.
if something is wrong, right? Why he doesn't be specific? Why am I being detained?
No, you're not. No, hold on.
Am I being
The officer stopped you
right?
and explained to you what we are conducting.
Right.
Right.
But look, I should be stopped on reasonable suspicion.
We are conducting a routine spot check. And once we're conducting a routine spot check, you can be stopped. Yeah, man. And you know that, you know? You know it's true.
Sir,
Hold on.
sir, you know me.